Hi, my name is Abraham Setiawan. I'm a product development manager and innovation coach at Telia, Sweden.
I'm basically a young techie from Denpasar in Bali, and I went to Stockholm to study in one of the world's leading tech hubs, and then joined Telia as a DareTrainee. Today, I work a lot with pre-studying, proof of concept, and prototyping. It's a great opportunity for a techie like me to work with virtual reality, drones, esports, and gaming. I'm doing what I love and getting paid for doing it every day. Right now, I'm focusing on how we can use drone technology to improve life and society. We just developed a drone that can carry a heart defibrillator to a person having cardiac arrest. And we now know much more about what drones can do, as well as about how to optimize our mobile network for flying them. I think connectivity is the coolest thing we deliver because it enables us to do amazing stuff like this project and things we don't even know about yet. Playing bass has always been my passion. Creating music and working with technology innovation has a lot in common. There is a lot of different components that add something important to the end result. And to make something fantastic, each and every part has to fit perfectly.